Need to close your Optimum Mobile account? Here's how. As of 2025, Optimum Mobile offers several options: closure, transfer, or merge. To simply close, you can use the Optimum Mobile app, visit optimum.net/mobile, or call 1-866-200-8835. First, settle any outstanding balances, including unpaid bills or early termination fees, which can range from $50 to $100 depending on your plan. Return any leased devices like smartphones to avoid charges up to $500. Finally, confirm the deletion of your personal data. Remember to back up your contacts and media before initiating, as deletion is irreversible. The account deactivation typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Optimum now handles 95% of closures digitally. Instead of closing, you might want to transfer your number to another carrier like Verizon or T-Mobile. Use the Optimum app to get a porting authorization code (PAC) and ensure you have no outstanding debts. The transfer usually takes less than 24 hours. Alternatively, if you have multiple Optimum Mobile lines, you can merge them into a single account via the Optimum app, consolidating billing and data. This is ideal for family plans bundling with Optimum Internet. Note that mergers require shared account ownership or authorization. Remember, Optimum Mobile is evolving towards personalized, privacy-centric services, so stay updated on their latest features and policies for the best experience.